Hey, we're getting off the ship today in Sitka, Alaska. And of course, you don't really get off in Sitka. You get off about 5 miles out of town. You have to ride a shuttle bus. But it's Janet.
Hi.
And Garrett from Port Monkeys. And this is Sitka. Of course, we're on the Grand Princess. And the Anthem of the Seas just pulled in. And boy, it dwarfs our ship. I can't even see the top. Oh, there it is. Anyway, so they have a little shopping center up here. I think there's a restaurant. And then shuttle buses take you into town. Free, complimentary shuttle. So there's the Anthem of the Seas. There's the Grand Princess. And this is the little shopping center up here. The shops above and below. There's a giant bear to pose with. Hi.
Good morning. Good morning, welcome. How are you?
Land and boat tours, live crab, wildlife tours, Baranof bread and butter. Of course, we're on Baranof Island. Remember, Sitka used to be the capital of Alaska, but that was way back before it was a state. So, shuttle to downtown. And the shuttle buses. Well, we got off the bus in Sitka. And this is like the community center. And of course, that's the line to get back on. So those people are getting back on the bus. And then tours leave from here, or you could book a tour here. You see that? We've got a map here. We're going to walk over to the National Historical Park, Totem Park. I believe there's a bathroom inside here. There again, Centennial Hall, and that's where the bathrooms and maps were, if you need them. There's St. Michael's. There's a canoe. And people selling stuff. Cookies. My name is Tucker. These maps are everywhere in town. So this is the library. We're gonna cross the street here and at least show the front of St. Michael's. Sometimes it's open, sometimes it's not. Baranof Castle is over there. If you want to see detailed versions of St. Michael's and this part of Sitka, watch one of our other Sitka videos. And this is St. Michael's. Hi. Of course, there's lots of shopping. Mostly on that main street we were just on, but also right in here. And I'm guessing St. Michael's is closed. It is Sunday. I don't know if it's a working church. But I do know they don't have the right time on the clock. Because I have just after 10 a.m. St. Michael's. Hosting visitors. Noon to 2. Okay. So maybe we'll come back. Russian Christmas store. Ravenshook. So down there is Baranof Castle, and up to the right is this Russian cemetery and the regular cemetery. So there's several little food trucks. Gelato, Alaskan Lake House, Alaska cookies, crab, and restaurants. It's Sunday and a lot of places are closed, but most of them are open. And we're going to walk straight down this road, which is Lincoln Street, and it will lead us to the park. There's several historic buildings along the way here, like the Russian Mission Orphanage or historic Russian Bishop's House, former Russian orphanage. Stumbled over that. And there's a boat harbor and a couple hundred people walking. So I guess they're all headed where we are.
Hey, he said I've seen him on YouTube.
Thanks for watching. I believe this is not historical. This is Pacific High School. And they have their own totem. We're going to see several of those today. A whole park full, you might say. There's a grocery store 2 blocks up if you need anything. And this is St. Peter's by the Sea Episcopal Church, and I'm thinking they don't want you to sit on their wall. And the Sea House. Looks like some graves. We're still walking along the waterfront. There's some bathrooms here and playground. It's a park. You brought your own basketball. We're coming up to the fish hatchery there. And this is the boat harbor. These are the free public restrooms. Right over there is a fish hatchery. Something is making noise behind us in the water. But every time I look, there's nothing. Oh! See that fish jump? I bet you did. We're at the end of the boat harbor. Another fish jump. Yeah, it does. See them? See them? They're all over. Oh! Look! This fish jumped all the way up here. Silver Bay. So, if you need a playground, if you want to play a xylophone-ish thing, maybe some slides, this is quite a nice playground. And it smells like fish. And the reason is, that's the hatchery right there. Let's go around to it. Get around to it. I don't see any on there. So let's keep moving. Sitka Sound Science Center. Well, I think they hatch fish here, but it is a science center officially. About the hatchery. See that? Are you curious? See what I said about these signs? These maps? Directional?
Hold up. Hold up.
Hey, that's salmon.
They're slamming up against it.
Because they want to go a little bit further. And then this is the Science Center. We're going to get up close to salmon, I think. Up here a ways. Sage Memorial Building.
It's open.
There you go. They have a touch tank. Sitka Sawmill, which is now the gift shop and maybe a restaurant. Some chowder. Those are hatching tanks.
Children under 5 are free.
The gulls are returning from Capistrano. Oh, look at the fish jumping out there. Catfish are jumping. Except for salmon. Look at all the dead ones. So you see all the salmon out there. This is the Sitka Science Center. We're leaving now, and you should know that we've walked 1 mile to this point from where the bus let us off, or at least from the library or visitor center. 1.6 kilometers, you might say. Right here, the sidewalk we were on, here's the Science Center, becomes, you know, a boardwalk, sort of. There's the fish jumping. And it weaves in and out of the trees. The road's right there. Of course, they have trash cans along the way. Remember, you got to stick your fingers up in there and release it. People climbing on rocks. Benches to sit and think, just sit. Don't know what that used to say. But it's like this more or less all the way to the totem park. Came out of the trees there, and these people are in front of the sign, but this is the Sitka National Historical Park. People call it the Totem Park. You can go around that way, or you can go around this way. And of course, these are people's homes across the street. So there's a museum here. Not sure how much it costs. And then totems. Totems, totems, totems. See, there's several up there. One right here. Oh, I don't need to point them out anymore. And there's several along the trail. Visitor Center is open 9 to 5. Today's ranger programs.
Totem talk and battle talk.
Let's walk in.
Let me get that for you.
But Janet's going to open the door. Oh, it says it's on automatic door. But I just had to push that button. Oh. This says the restrooms are outside, maybe. Demonstrations. Just going to take a quick spin through here.
Sitka will be playing in the theater starting in 12 minutes. And 2 minutes to get the song on black film.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
In 2 minutes.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, I got it. It's a little dark in here. We could exit here. We're going to go back the other way. So here's the exhibits, the trinket. going to be a little dark in here. Not sure why they feel they have to have it this dark, but they do. Hey, he's waving at you. That's all the bigger it is. The real attraction is outside. People of the Raven.